It's caught in the crossfire.
Hello guys, this is Mobile Tech here. From you can see different now. From now I'm going to put the video about the how to create the apps. It will be one for some weeks. So I am going to give you the AI file for free that you can create the chatting application. I am going to show how to create the chatting application with the Thunkable using Firebase component. So let's get started. This AI file will be in description. So let's see what is the here, how it is built. So let's get started. I have used only vertical arrangement, one vertical arrangement, this, and I am using label and text box and start button. That is, and I have used TinyDB. Okay, and let's see the block part of this. So when the bottom one or start clicked, it will call the TinyDB to store value. The tag will be username and which value we have to store. We will store the value that we have typed in the text box. Then open another screen. So after clicking bottom one, it will store the value that is in text box and it will open the screen chat. So let's see the chat screen then. Okay, at first design. So design is simply enough. So here you can see that I have used the vertical arrangement for the label that are the messages to show, and this original arrangement for the text box and send button, and I have used TinyDB also and notifier and Firebase also. So you have to use your own Firebase URL and Firebase token. Okay, you have to put your Firebase token and Firebase URL. So I have put this project bucket to chat app. So let's see the block section. Okay, this seems so messy. Okay, I will show you the for at first. Okay, only there are only two blocks. Send bottom and when Firebase data change. So when the bottom one click or when the send bottom is click, it will check the if text box is empty or not. So if text box is empty, it will show the alert message calling interrupt message. If not, it will hide the keyword and it will store the value in the Firebase. So tag is chat, you can see here, and what should be the value to store. So I have used the join block and I have joined the TinyDB value that we have specified in the previous screen, that when the user will be enter that to that screen, they will type the name and they will store the username in the tag called username. So in here we have retrieved the value that is in username tag. So username tag, and I have used semicolon and I have used the message, and you can see there's slash n breaks the line. Okay, so after seeing the example you will be clear, and I have joined the label text, and after that text box will be to the null value. So when Firebase data will be changed, then it will compare the text. It will compare the text when get tag equals to chat. When the tag will be chat, then the level 1 text will be the value. So okay, designer. Okay, so let's see the app. Okay, I have already exported here. So here you can see the chat app. You will be cleared after seeing this app how it works. So here you can see you have to enter the username. I will type announce. So click on start. So there will be another screen. So here you can see that there are some chat list. So I have entered the message. I will enter the message. Oh, so here you can see. Oh, good app. Yeah. After typing the message. So in this way you can create the group chat application. So if you like my video, subscribe my channel and like my video. And if you want to share this, share it.